everyone, in this video we are going to show you a subtopic of differentiation, which is related rate. These are our team members.
What is differentiation? Differentiation is a method of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. Differentiation is to determine the maximum and minimum values of particular functions. Here are techniques to solve differentiation problems. First, we can use derivative of sum and difference. Second, derivative of a product function, which is the product rule. And the last, derivative of a rational function, which is the quotient rule. The rate of function is defined as dy over dx equal to fx equal to y. How about related rates? Related rates is a problem that involves at least two changing quantities. Their corresponding rates of change with respect of time. The idea is to compute the rate of change of one quantity in terms of the rate of change of another quantity, which is easily measured. Here are steps for solving related rates problem. First, we need to draw a diagram if possible. Second, we need to assign symbols to all quantities that are functions of time. Third, we need to express the given information in terms of derivative. Fourth, we need to write an equation that relates the two quantities. And the last step is, we need to use the chain rule or implicit method to differentiate both sides of the equation.
Problem statement question 1. Mr. Imran just bought a new bungalow house with an empty swimming pool. He wants to fill the rectangular 16 meter by 10 meter swimming pool with the water at the rate of 0.8 meter cube per minute. The question is, how fast is the water rising?
Problem solution.
Moving on to the next, to finding the solution. From the problem statement given, we can conclude that the dv over dt it is equal to 0.8 meter cube per minute. However, we want to know how fast is the height of water rising, which is the dh over dt. To find the dh over dt, we have to use a new formula and make a new formula. So dh over dt, it is equal to dh. Okay. And we have to fill in the blank with the same constant, which is dv. Since we know dv, since the question already gave you the dv over dt, so we can conclude that the blank spot is for the dv. So that's we can just erase dv and we got the dh over dt. Okay. After that, since we have to find dv, first of all, we need to find the volume of the rectangular first. So the formula is length times width height. Okay, since the length and width are given, we just need to substitute it into the formula, which is 16 times with 10 times with. Please skip the h since we want to relate the v and h. So we got this 160h. Okay, since the dv over dt are given, we only need to find the dh over dv. So we have to differentiate the formula to get dv over dh. So dv over dh, it is equal to 160. However, from the formula we made, we have to find the dh over dv. So, since we got dv over dh is equal to 160 over 1, we just need to flip the fraction upside down. So, dh over dv, it is equal to 1 over 160. So we can just substitute all the value into the formula. So dh over dt, it is equal to 1 over 160 times with 0.8, and it is equal to 0.005 meter per minute.
In conclusion, related rate can be applied in our daily life. It is because we use math every day in our life. By applying related rate in our daily life, it can make things easy for us to calculate undetermined quantity. These are some of recommendations that can be applied on related rate, which is to calculate a volume of cereal in a box. Second, to calculate a volume of ice cream in a cone. Third, to calculate a volume of gas in a bottle. That's all from us. Thank you.